Hey guys, and welcome back to my nail journal. So you guys went on my Instagram and you voted for which company you want to see my collection of, and this time you guys voted for Sparkle & Co. So just like last time, we're going to pull everything out. Okay, so in my last video with my J&I collection, I totally forgot to mention her dip liquids, but I think you guys know by now that her dip liquids are my absolute favorite. So again, I kind of have them all in order. Some of these I've worn, some of them I haven't. A lot of them that I have worn are a lot older manicures, so just ignore any of the older pictures and how weird they are. So anyway, I'm going to get started with like their liquid stuff that I've tried. I haven't tried their dip liquids, but I know a lot of people love those. So, for example, their gel base. You guys saw me use this in my Halloween collab video, and I really love their gel base. And I've only used this polish I got for free. I bought a bag or something, and it came with that. So this is the only like nail polish I've used. It's really cool though. It's kind of like, I don't know if you call that like duochrome or like oil slick look. So, and I thought they were pretty good. Maybe a little thick, but I'm not used to nail polish anymore, so what do I know? And then their matte top coat I want to talk about, because their matte top coat is okay until I discovered Koopa's matte top coat. It's a lot better in my opinion. But if you just want to try it, this is decent. And then their gel top. Their gel top coat used to be my absolute favorite again until I discovered Koopa Gelfinity. I know this is like mainly to show what I love about Sparkle & Co, but I just want to be honest with you guys. But their gel top coat is really nice, I'm not going to lie. And then their peel base, I haven't really tried well enough to give my thoughts and opinions. I bought it, tried it a little bit, and then I tried UNT, and I really fell in love with UNT, so I don't know. But I know Katie Blue. I'll link her YouTube in the description box. She loves Sparkle & Co, and she can teach you a lot more about their peel base than I ever could. So I kind of have these in order set up in my mind how I want them. So let's just start with the first one. So if you see any of them that have SB, that means their sub bag or their subscription bag. I've never had their subscription bag. Either I've gotten colors like they'll include them as a freebie with an order, or I've had friends sell them to me or give them to me. So this is SB73, which is Bougie Babe, and I wore this for my birthday last year. It's very pretty. I have a cat hair in it. But it's really blingy. So if you like blingy colors, you might be able to find this in like one of the buy-sell trade groups. And what came with it was SB71, which is Jewel Junkie. And again, another very blingy color. And this is more like a flaky, so kind of be careful with this, because the flakies are messy, but so worth messing with. And then Mad for Metallics. I haven't worn this yet, and I'm so mad. I need to wear it soon, because it's so pretty. I'll have to show you the swatches to those three really quick. So here we have Mad for Metallics, Jewel Junkie, and Bougie Babe. You see how like blingy all three of those colors are? And Mad for Metallics, I feel like could go with so many solid colors. So this is DP103 with FF3. So what that means, they have flakies by themselves that you can just like buy, or they have it where they have already added it to a clear dip powder. So it's basically like a topper. You can wear it over any color. I have yet to wear this. It's so sad. But the swatch is so bad too, because it's an older swatch of mine, but you see how messy they just like get everywhere. So again, you could wear that on top of like any color. It would be really cool over like black, but this is supposed to be the swatch of that. It's like the worst swatch on planet Earth. So then we have Fire Opal, which as you see is on their secret menu. The secret menu anybody can access as long as you're in their Facebook group. Their password is in there. And this again can be worn by itself or a topper. It has again those flakies in it. And I believe I worn this one time over like a green or a yellow. Here's my swatch to it. Again, this is an older swatch, so it's really bad. But it's just like a fun topper. So DP106 glass slippers. I think this is their first color in their glass slipper line. They have like a whole collection of glass slipper colors. I think I've worn this. I don't remember. Mine says glow because I custom ordered it to glow in the dark. But this can be worn by itself or a topper. Because I think it has a clear base. Again, these swatches are old. But it's, again, just another fun topper that you can wear over any color. Sparkle & Co. was the second company I started buying from, so I was experimenting, I think. DP 129 Jasmine's glass slippers. Again, part of that glass slippers collection. I worn this one time for St. Patrick's Day. It's so freaking pretty, though. I'm so mad that I haven't worn it anymore. But it's kind of like an odd color because it's like green and gold, but the green is more like a teal. It's not like a straight up green. So here's the swatch to that. It's so pretty though, right? So DP 143 Fairy Tea Party. Again, mine says glow because I custom ordered it to glow in the dark. This one is such a pretty like spring color, or even maybe for Easter. I think I've worn it one time. Oh my gosh, I'm so mad. It's just, you guys, I wore them and then I started finding other companies and then I don't know what happened. But here's the swatch to that. It is a really pretty glitter, and I think it could be worn over top of other colors too, or by itself. I'm not sure. DP 125 Glow Baby Glow, another glow in the dark. This is, I think, one of the first colors I ever purchased from them, and I used to be so obsessed with it. Again, because it's that baby pink that I love. You see how filthy it is? Because I was still new to dipping when I got this. Look at that, it's disgusting. I'm ashamed, but it's just that baby pink that kind of just goes with everything. And I've thought about wearing it with that Mad for Metallics glitter, for example. See all the stuff in it, you guys? I was new to dipping, and I just, like, did not know what I was doing. But if you like a baby pink and you like glow in the dark, this one glows really bright. SB04, again, SB stands for sub bag. I think I got this either as a freebie or they was selling them. I don't remember how I got it, but it's so freaking pretty. I can't remember what the actual name of it was. Ice Cream Sprinkles or something. I've worn it one time. But again, another like fun summer or spring glitter. I know it could go with so many colors. I'll show you the swatch real quick. It's really pretty. This is more of like an updated swatch. It looks a little bit nicer than those other ones. But again, if you can't get these anymore, try like looking in the buy sell trade groups. This one I highly recommend if you can find it. This is just so good. DP 138 Delicate Peach. This also used to be my favorite color, and again, I asked them to make it glow because when I was first starting out, I just loved glow in the dark everything. But it looks so yellow on my camera, but it's a really light peach, which, I mean, Delicate Peach is a great name for it because it is a very light peach, and because I asked for glow, it glows really bright. And then the one that went with it, which I freaking love so much because it's more coral, DP 139 Hawaiian Sunset, and this has flakies in it, but it's such a good coral color. Look at that. Now the one thing, I custom ordered it to glow, and sometimes glow in the dark powder does not work well with other powders, and I feel like adding the glow to this made it really hard to work with. It changed the consistency so much that I've hardly worn it because of that, and it sucks because it's so pretty. If you like coral, this has like those gold flakes in it, and trust me, you want to check this out. So then we have Cherry Bomb, again from the secret menu. You can get it as long as you're in their Facebook group and have the password. I think Cherry Bomb glows, but I can't remember. Maybe it doesn't. But it is a perfect cherry color. It's not too pink or too red. In fact, the lighting messes with this color so much. When I wore it, one picture it looked totally pink, and the next picture it looked totally red. Because it's cherry colored. It's super pretty. So I think Cherry Bomb is this swatch. Some of my labels have fallen off. Well, I use permanent markers, so some of them has like totally just disintegrated off the swatch sticks. And then the next one, which is kind of similar, DP 137, You Make My Heart Glow. My batch of this is messed up. It's more pink than red like it's supposed to be, but I never complained about it because I liked it. My friend did send me a sample of hers, which is more red. I think, yeah, this is 137. So yeah, mine's kind of messed up. So I don't know. I don't know. It's really good color though. DP 107, which I think the name to it is Coral Fantasy. Used to be one of my absolute favorite colors from them because I just really love corals. But the shade, and again, this goes well with Hawaiian Sunset too. But it'll go so well with any of the more metallic colors also, like silver, gold. Mad for Metallics would be a good one to pair it with. Used to love this color so much. DP 101, I can't remember the name to it. I have the pink version. I think you can order it with a clear base too. But I've worn this for Easter because, like, why wouldn't you? It's so freaking pretty. Again, another great, like, spring and summery color. The glitters in it are just so fun. They're matte too. They don't like reflect light. Autumn Leaves from the secret menu. You can get the red version or the purple version. They're both like a red burgundy and a purple burgundy. This right here is my favorite color from Sparkle & Co. as of today. As of like this date right now in time, this is my favorite Sparkle & Co. color ever. And it's so freaking easy to work with. It's got those like flaky foils in it. And it's one of the Sparkle & Co. colors that I've actually worn recently. And that mani was just one of my absolute favorites. It came out so beautiful. So many people love that mani. And it was so perfect for like start and fall off. And I definitely have plans to wear it again soon before fall is over. My favorite. SB25 I don't have a swatch of because my friend sent this to me. It's their like bright orange, similar to the orange I wore in my Halloween video. But I asked her for a sample of it because last year my son's birthday party was truck yahees too. So it was like construction truck stuff. So I needed that like neon orange, neon yellow, and I had black with it. I should be showing a picture right here, but it went so perfect for that mani. It is a really nice orange. I don't know why they made it just a sub color and not a mainline color. They might have one similar on the mainline. I don't know, but it was really nice and easy to work with. Another secret menu, and if you like the color lavender like Miranda Novotny does, you need this color because she made this because she loves lavender so much, and it's got those flakies in it. And I wore this once last year. It's such, I hate like my shaping and my nails then. I wore it during the wintertime. I need to wear it again in the wintertime because just, I don't know. It's also a mood changer. So like it changes color in the temperature. It'll get lighter to darker lavender. It's very pretty, very pretty. And I wore it with snowflakes and I don't know, for me it's a great color for the wintertime for me personally. I just love it. So I definitely need to wear it again soon during the wintertime. Maybe again with the snowflakes, I don't know, maybe just by itself, but it's so pretty. And it's very similar to the Autumn Leaves color I showed you. It applies easily like that one, and she just did a great job on this color. I love it. So good job, Miranda. DP 120 Elle Woods' Glass Slippers. Again, from the Glass Slipper collection. Those of you that have been following me for a long time, I think I got this so early in my dip career. It's not a career, but that's what I call it. It was one of the first colors I purchased from them because I was so obsessed with rose gold. And this glitter is so pretty and it's easy to work with. I've worn it so many times. It's one of my absolute favorite glitters from them of all time. If you love rose gold, you have to check this color out. You just have to. This is a more updated swatch too. Look at that. It's so pretty. If you wanted like a full-on glittery bling mani, wear this with Mad for Metallics. I swear, dude, that would be beast. Look how gorgeous though. Those of you that have followed me for a long time know how much I used to talk about Elle Woods Glass Slipper. DP 136 Oh Hey Vacay, a really good summer teal color. I call it Tiffany Blue color because that's what it reminds me of. And it glows in the dark. Really easy to use. I have a more updated swatch. I started to update my swatches and then gave up at some point. I don't know what happened. But yeah, if you like that, I call it Tiffany Blue because it looks like it, right? It's like that teal. If you like that type of color, I would definitely check out Oh Hey Vacay. I remember when they came out with this. It was so pretty. This is the color that came out with Oh Hey Vacay. It's Mermaid Mimosa. I messed it up by ordering glow in it, you guys. Again, it's one of those things where like the glow powder does not mesh well with it. I should not have ordered it with glow because it messed my color up so bad and made it where it just doesn't mix right. Do you see all that like white stuff? That's the glow. It won't mix correctly. It's like a mess. Even like my swatches, this is an updated swatch. You see that? It's just hard to work with now. But if I hadn't messed it up with the glow in the dark powder, I would have worn this so much more because it's an extremely pretty blue color. So if you get it, don't be like me and get excited and try to order it with glow because it messes up. DP52 is more of like a mint green color, and I believe I wore it for St. Patrick's Day with Jasmine's glass slippers. It's a really nice mint green, and I didn't mess it up by ordering glow in it. Another sub bag colors, SB23, this is my costume. It's a black with like a bunch of glitter in it. It's really pretty. I haven't worn it on my nails yet. I got this as a freebie. They had some type of deal going on, and I bought a bag and this came in it. And it's really nice. I know a lot of people that look for black with that multicolored glitter in it. I don't know why they made that. They should have put that in the main line. Excuse me. But again, I think you can go on Buy Sell Trades and find it. It's just black with glitter. It's really pretty though. DP123 Maleficent's glass slippers. If you like deep dark purples like Maleficent the Queen does, then you're going to like this color. I have yet to wear this on myself. It's so pretty. I don't know why I haven't worn it on my nails. I used it on my mom, and it looked really good on her because her birthstone is amethyst, and so it just like was perfect on her. The swatch of this is old too, so it's not going to give it any justice, but again, if you like that deep dark purple, this is so pretty. The top coat's old. It's very pretty. I need to wear it. So many colors I haven't actually like worn on myself. And then Snowed In. This was with some type of deal they had going on forever ago. You got it for free, and it's like a 1 ounce jar of it. It's so pretty. I've worn it once. It's silver with like that teal glitter. It's really perfect for the winter time. It kind of looks like snow, and might be able to find it on the Buy Sell Trade. I don't know. They should have again added this to the main line because this is really pretty. And I feel like a lot of people would like this color. Okay, there's the whole collection. I'm going to put them back in the drawer and put them up. Also, they have, if you guys know Cuticle Candy that makes like the awesome cuticle oil. Cuticle Candy has worked with Sparkle & Co. They have a couple scents now. They're my freaking favorite. Sparkle Party, and the other one was something lemonade. I don't know if it was like strawberry lemonade. Oh my god, though. I don't have the pens because I've used them all. But those are my favorite scents. I just wanted to add that in real quick. And then we're going to put everything back in the jar where it goes. Be right back. There you guys go. There's the Sparkle & Co. collection. Thank you so much for watching. Again, make sure, sorry, I had to take a deep breath. Make sure you're following my Instagram because just like last time, I'll put up another voting system, and that way you guys can pick which collection you want to see next. I mentioned in that voting system that like the smaller collections that I have will be grouped together. Like for example, I'm out of breath, my goodness, sorry, I have asthma. Like for example, this is Double Dipped, like the only color I have by them. I only have a few from Rocky Mountain, a few from Zooty. So like some of those will have to be grouped together in one video, but yeah. Follow me on Instagram, vote for your next collection.